Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona on PC. First, let's discuss emulation. Emulators are software programs that allow your computer to mimic a console, letting you play games like Persona 3 and Persona 4. Before starting, confirm your PC has sufficient processing power and memory, typically at least 8 GB of RAM, for smooth performance. Always ensure you obtain game files legally to support developers and maintain ethical gaming practices. This foundational step opens up many classic Persona adventures. Beyond emulation, many Persona titles have received official PC releases, offering a streamlined experience. Persona 4 Golden and Persona 5 Royal are prime examples, providing direct ports with significant enhancements. These versions often boast improved frame rates, higher resolutions, and additional content not found in their original console counterparts. You can easily acquire these games through popular digital storefronts, such as Steam, or via subscription services like Xbox Game Pass, ensuring a hassle-free setup and play. To truly immerse yourself in the world of Persona on PC, a game controller is highly recommended. Most modern controllers, including those from Xbox and PlayStation, are plug-and-play, connecting seamlessly via USB or Bluetooth. You can customize button layouts within the game settings or your emulator's configuration menu for a personalized feel. Additionally, take a moment to fine-tune your graphics settings. Balancing visual quality with performance, aiming for 60 frames per second, will provide the most enjoyable and responsive gameplay experience. Even with careful setup, you might encounter occasional issues like performance drops or controller recognition problems. Don't worry, the Persona PC community is a fantastic resource. Online forums and dedicated subreddits are filled with helpful guides and solutions for common glitches. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date and regularly check for updates to your emulator software or game patches. These simple steps can resolve many issues, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey through the captivating stories of Persona.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.